These are the 14-piece miniature clay kitchen set, and let's see what's inside this huge packet. So I'm going to unwrap it, and later on I will start cooking in this, and will upload some miniature cooking video in Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Ignore my neighbor's TV sound. They are watching movies, so I cannot tell them anything. So these are the background sound. I can say background score, and these clay pots and everything came from Kerala, and I bought it through online from Amazon. You can see the description box. I will provide the link and all the details how to order and how to get it. If it's good for your child as well. If you don't want to do the real cooking, you can have these as a showpiece as well. মানে আমি জীবনে কোনোদিন রান্নাবাড়ি খেলিনি, বাট এইসব হওয়ার পর ঠিক আপ ট্রাই কাপ ওকে দেখুন স্পিক আপ এটা তাওয়া এটা বল এটা তাওয়া ও বাও